Welcome to the comprehensive exploration of Emotional Freedom Techniques, EFT, a guide to self-application, an integral part of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This session provides an in-depth understanding of EFT, a powerful and accessible tool in energy psychology, and guides you through the process of applying it on your own. EFT, often known as tapping, was developed in the 1990s by Gary Craig. It combines elements of cognitive therapy with acupressure, focusing on the body's meridian points. EFT is based on the premise that emotional distress is linked to energy imbalances in the body, and by tapping on specific points, you can restore balance and alleviate emotional issues. Numerous studies have validated the effectiveness of EFT. Research, including a comprehensive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease, has demonstrated its efficacy in reducing the symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. This evidence underlines the credibility of EFT as a potent self-help tool. The basic EFT tapping process. EFT involves tapping with your fingertips on specific meridian points on the body, while focusing on a particular issue or emotion. The process is simple and can be broken down into the following steps. 1. Identify the issue. Begin by identifying the specific issue you want to address. It could be a feeling, a physical pain, or a stressful situation. 2. Test your initial intensity. Assess the intensity of your emotion or pain on a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense. This helps in measuring the effectiveness of the technique. 3. The setup statement. Craft a setup statement that acknowledges the problem and affirms self-acceptance, such as, even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. 4. Tapping sequence. Tap each of the following points about 7 times while repeating a reminder phrase. That keeps your system tuned into the issue. Eyebrow point, where the eyebrows begin, near the bridge of the nose. Side of the eye, on the bone bordering the outside corner of the eye. Under the eye, on the bone under an eye. Under the nose, chin point just below the lip, beginning of the collarbone. Under the arm, about a hand's width from the armpit, top of the head. 5. Reassess intensity. After completing a few rounds of tapping, pause and reassess the intensity. Continue tapping until the intensity reduces significantly. Self-application and daily practice. EFT can be easily self-administered. It's recommended to integrate EFT into your daily routine, especially when dealing with stress, anxiety, or emotional challenges. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in emotional well-being. Integration with other therapies and contraindications. While EFT is a powerful standalone tool, it can also be integrated with other therapeutic approaches for enhanced results. However, it's important to note that EFT is not a substitute for professional medical advice, and individuals with serious psychological or medical conditions should consult professionals. Looking forward, EFT's role in personal development. As we move forward, EFT's role in personal development and emotional healing continues to grow. Its ease of application and proven effectiveness make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their emotional health. This session offers you a comprehensive understanding of emotional freedom techniques and the skills to apply them effectively in your life. EFT empowers you to actively work towards balancing your emotions, leading to improved mental health and overall well-being. Let's continue to embrace and utilize this effective technique in our journey toward emotional freedom and psychological resilience.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.